In this video, I'm going to be showing the user how to change the scale of the widgets in the dashboard view of OceansMap. So if the user would like to change the size of all the widgets at once, they can do so with this grid scale slider here in the top right. So by default, it's set to 1, but the user can go ahead and make this smaller. So you can see all of these widgets become smaller. That allows the user to, let's reset that and unlock the dashboard. And it allows the user to reshape the dashboard. So if we want to set 3 plots along the top, we can change the grid scale and then rearrange this dashboard here. And similarly, if we'd like to zoom in on the dashboard, we can change the grid scale to be above 1. And now we have the plots bigger, easier to see, and then they stack. So the user just needs to scroll to see these widgets, and then they can rearrange as needed.